Now to Alabama, where a recent state court ruling is causing some procedural mayhem. That ruling allowing a frozen human embryo to be treated like a child.
Right, and that law already complicating the lives of medical professionals, and that's not to mention parents who want to use in vitro. They're worried that now legal confusion, well, more of it is just around the corner. ABC's Perry Russum with more.
Gabby and Spencer Goidel are trying to have a child after 3 miscarriages. Gabby was approved to start her IVF medications in Alabama just days ago.
We started thinking about what we would do if our clinic shut down.
It just injected so much uncertainty and anxiety.
Their uncertainty stemming from an unprecedented decision by the Alabama Supreme Court ruling frozen embryos are the legal equivalent of children, and destroying them could be considered a crime. The Alabama decision is tied to wrongful death cases where frozen embryos were accidentally destroyed at a fertility clinic. The White House saying this type of chaos was expected when the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade.
To say that every single embryo is a child is just factually incorrect, flies in the face of science.
With in vitro fertilization, families can freeze multiple embryos, bettering their chances of having a child.
We know that there are hundreds of thousands of embryos that are discarded through the IVF process, killed and lost. And as pro-lifers, we believe that that's an unethical treatment of human life.
In a statement, a spokesperson for the Medical Association of Alabama writes the ruling will likely lead to fewer babies. Gabby and Spencer say their clinic in Alabama will continue their treatment for now.
They view protecting embryos as important, but what about our chance of having a family? Shouldn't that be protected as well?
This will be a hot-button issue on the campaign trail, and we are still waiting for a decision from the Supreme Court relating to access to the abortion pill nationwide. That ruling should be made in the next few months ahead of the election. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.